My name's Robert. That's Heidi. So to start off on we stretch the cable, and then we'll put this in our Hilti. Put the duckbill on the end. We'll take cable and run it through the little eye. And you pull it about the length of the bar and hook it up to the Hilti, and it just goes in the ground. And then we drive it about this far in. So we'll do that, and we'll pull the bar out, and the person that's helping with the Hilti will wrap the cable on the pliers that we got, and you give it a good tug, and you'll feel it set. It'll pull it where it's not going to come out, and then you cut the cable and just go every 4 feet. So we'll start doing that, and then you always start on the downside of the river, downstream, and work your way up, so the butts of the trees will be facing upriver, so the water can flow into the trees and catch all the sediment and stuff, and it'll build up over time. We'll just start doing that. Shouldn't take too long. We go every 4 feet, and then we can start throwing trees down, doing some cabling.
Have you guys done this before?
Yep. Yeah, we do. This year we only had 3 spruce tree cabling jobs, but usually we do right around like 8 to 10 a year in Kenai, on the Kenai River. So
is that usually for private land?
Yes. Usually for private people only. You know, not many big commercial jobs can do it. They usually do root wads, so they're doing big sections.
Right.
But they work out actually really good. It takes about 2 years, and they'll be filled up with all the sediment and stuff, and then you come back and do another layer on top.
This is Moore's landscaping.
Moore's landscaping?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, they've been doing this for decades.
Yeah, I think Tom's been doing it for, I think this is his 31st year doing it.
Holy cow. Oh, wow.
So
Yeah, he knows what he's doing.
Yeah, I hope so.